Welcome to TeamWise. This instruction is for architects and designers whom we want to introduce our platform. Our primary mission is to create a professional community to help promote your services, find new clients, and improve collaboration. All tools in our platform are free to use. We invite you to join our community. Register your account as a creative person via Gmail account or email. We recommend registering 2 accounts separately if you are registered as a company. Later you can add yourself to your company as a team member.
You got mail.
Congrats, you've registered. On my profile page, you can add your done projects to show your experience. Create mood boards to share your ideas and mood. Upload videos and podcasts to show the process, exchange ideas, and discuss professional themes. Write articles and share your expert opinions. You can receive WISE tokens as a donation from other professionals or customers for your media as recognized helpful content. In my profile, choose Settings and fill in all rows. You can change your profile link from numbers to letters after all your settings are fully completed. In addition, you will receive the Complete Profile Awards. On our platform, you can promote your profile and projects. Advertised items will appear in a particular promoted block on the main page. All notifications, such as new likes, new followers, received donations, etc., are in a bell icon. When customers post a job offer, it appears on the main page. You can answer and write customer your proposal. All work notifications you will receive in a message icon. If the customer is interested, you will be invited to collaborate in our WISE space. Please watch our tutorials on how to work in WISE space. TeamWise, save your time, collaborate online.